This is GIGABYTE P750GM 80 plus gold fully modular power supply. Uh, this is fully modular. That means you can connect necessary cables and avoid clutter. Only use what cables you really need and keep others in somewhere else. It's a 750-watt power supply. The only problem I found with this product is came with a 16 amp power plug. I think that is unnecessary for a 750-watt product. For some reason, they are sending this 16 amp cable with this. That is the only problem I found. The fan noise is not exist. I pushed my system into the limits and didn't hear any fan noise from my system or this power supply. It's working fine so far. Yeah, that's it. The unboxing will continue. The video will continue, and that's all about this particular unit. I want to say nothing else. It's a power supply PSU. So, it come with cables, and that's it.